It's kind of boring, don't you think? Well, everyone looks bored right now. Why don't we play a game? Let's play this. Risk to Vanish? That's interesting. Why don't we play and explain the mechanics? Guys, let's all louder and we're about to play a game. You explain the mechanics, girl. So for the mechanics of the game, first magkakaroon tayo ng 3 players. For the 3 players, mapipili sila kung sino ang mapipili ng spin the bottle. So kung sino man ang mapili dito, siya ang pipili kung sino ang first na magiging players natin. So anong pinaka-game? Sa 3 players, pipili sila dun sa 3 water. Kung sino man yung matatalo, malilipat siya sa next stage. So it's either you're gonna win or it's either you're forever a loser.
So this will be the consequences. Tapos yung natalo, siya yung iinom na. Okay? Wow.
We shouldn't have just that. This is very nice stuff.
Come on, guys. It's just dissolving sugar and salt. There's nothing scary about it.
Okay, focus. Now we'll do 2 experiments. First, the effect of temperature on dissolving. Second is the effect of particles size and melting.
Maybe it's just a janitor.
Ikaw na pipili ng players. O, sige, pili ka lang ng players.
Kinina?
Oo.
Yun.
Ay, gago. The old bottle was untouchable.
Yes. No?
Okay, Stanley. It's your one this round. Ikaw na yung spin ang sige ka. 3 player na. Sige. Ay, sige ba ka? On the winner. Okay, go.
I think I won. Scholars always solve that because they have saved
Gila. 1, 2, 3, go.
Look, the third start is on the left again.
Exactly. The small size and stir make dissolving faster.
Yeah. Bawal na yan sila sa sabi.
Okay. One, two, three, go. Oops.